Oh, what have I done? Welcome to Big Joe's Outdoors. This is the guard cleaning video on a small car I caught in the last video. Just doing it for information purposes. Maybe I can try a little harder to explain myself. If people want more information about doing this, comment. Let me know what I'm missing, what I'm not saying, what I should be saying. These things are pretty easy to clean. They're just hard to get into when it gets to getting past the shell, because this is all shell. I dispatched him, and then my other video I was talking about getting a new cane knife. Well, I went and picked me up a new one. Maybe I won't total this one. Cane knife's got a hook here. It's semi-sharp knife. It does well through cane. But it's got a decent handle, which for the most part could come in handy when you're coming across. And I've learned in the past that cleaning that part of the guard is not worth it, but you can skin it back to there and get enough. I've seen people start back here. It's not worth the effort. There's not enough back there to do anything with. Even on the big guard, it's super thin. Chickens are fighting. Chickens are always fighting. Yeah, this thing. This looks like it's going to make it much easier. I do it all the time. I forget to adjust myself as it's getting out, because the higher up I hold it, the less accurate my other hand gets. No! This was $17. It's not by any means a real cane knife. Look what it did to the edge of this thing. It was just as cheap as their stupid machetes they got over there. Might be time to invest in some Bear Grylls stuff. Maybe his stuff won't fall apart on me. I go in behind the scales and I work my way up, just trying to give me an access point, and I go down. And then we work this side down. You can start in the back, you start in the front. I don't know exactly which one's easier. Probably should have ran this knife through a sharpener, since I've been doing a lot of work on fish lately. Same thing up here. Get in between the scales. You can jab forward from behind the scales. And this way you can get your start. The rest of it's like skinning deer or any other animal. Just cut the skin away. Talking to me? best to have a sharp knife. I'm struggling with this one right now. Normally all my knives are sharp. I've just been busy. Yeah, it's sharp at the back of the knife. Yeah, just use the back of it. Yeah, it's working. Here's where gar gets easy. Rake it over the ribs. There's not a whole lot on top of the ribs, but since I'm grinding this up, I want every bit of it. Not too bad. It's a good fillet. Say about 2-3 pound fillet. Done. That's it. The rest of this goes to the crawfish in the front. They'll use it, it'll get fed, and I'll eat them. I'm sure they miss nothing. Alrighty, let me take this out and we're done with this. Thanks for watching. All I'm going to do is go inside and put that through the meat grinder and probably get another pound or a couple pounds out of some more ground up gar to throw with it, because I'm going to make a big old spaghetti. The turtle we caught in the video, he's going to have to wait till he's completely cooled down. I opened up the thing and he's still an angry. Still an angry little guy, so when his blood temperature finally cools off, I'll be able to clean him. I'm not sure I'm going to film it, or I just made a video on filming just filmed a video on cleaning turtles. If you want to see a good cleaning video, go back to that. If I missed anything, any information, let me know and I will redo the video with more information with what y'all are saying I might have missed. So help me out here and we can make some good videos together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.